Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the easiest and most accurate paper airplanes ever, the Sniper Paper Airplane. This plane is super popular because it flies exactly where you aim it. It glides smoothly, stays balanced in the air, and looks really cool once finished. That's why it's called the Sniper. If you throw it correctly, it can fly incredibly straight and accurate. The best part is that you only need one sheet of paper to make it. For this airplane, you can use a regular A4 sheet or an 8.5 times 11-inch paper. Any normal printer paper will work perfectly. Make sure your folds are clean and sharp because that helps the airplane fly much better. All right, let's start folding. First, take your paper and fold the top edge downward like this to create a center reference crease. Once you've made the crease, open the paper back up. Now take the top two corners and fold them into the center line to form two triangles. Try to line the edges up carefully so the airplane stays symmetrical. Next, fold these outer edges inward again toward the center. This will make the nose of the airplane thinner and sharper, which helps improve accuracy during flight. Repeat the same fold on the other side. Now gently open those folds back out and fold the layers across the center crease like this. Do the same thing on the other side. This step may look tricky at first, but once you do it carefully, the plane will start taking shape. After that, fold the top point downward just like this to lock the folds into place. Then fold these small side sections upward. Make sure both sides match evenly. Now take this edge and fold it downward so it lines up perfectly with the bottom edge of the airplane. Repeat the exact same fold on the other side. Keep your folds tight and neat for the best flying performance. Next, tuck these flaps into the pockets behind them. This locks the design together and helps keep the airplane stable while flying through the air. At this point, your plane should already look really sleek. Now fold the entire airplane in half carefully along the center line. Once that's done, fold the wings downward so the top edges line up evenly with the bottom body edge. Repeat on the other side and check that both wings are even. And there you go, your Sniper Paper Airplane is complete and ready to fly. Throw it gently with a smooth motion and watch how accurately it glides across the room or outside in open space. If you want better distance, try adjusting the wing angles slightly upward. This is honestly one of the easiest paper airplanes to make, and it's also one of the most reliable flyers for beginners. Try it out with different paper types and see how far and straight you can make it fly.